Hey, this is Mario from Hart Street, and we're going to tell you a little bit about our RYT-There Tour Pack Organizer. There's the kit of parts that comes in your box. It comes with this awesome part list. Parts are all labeled for easy installation. And before we turn it over to Glenn, and the same thing that we teach with each of these installations, clean your tour pack out. You don't want any residue or debris left behind in there. And wash your hands up before you start. And don't use rubber gloves, because as Glenn's going to show us, this is an adhesive back kind of peel and stick installation, and the gloves can tend to get stuck on there. It makes it more difficult. So with that, I'm going to hand this over to Glenn, and he's going to show how easy it is to go in.
Let's get started. Okay, now we're ready to install. Step one is that we're going to put the main base panel in. What's unique about the base panel that we have is that we've included a floor or bottom on here. This floor has been designed where it keys into the bottom of the tour pack and it fits perfectly in there. So what we want to do is we're going to put this down first. You'll notice that there's a front flap and a back flap here. We're going to peel off the paper so that the adhesive is exposed. Now we're going to hold this back here and we're going to lay that right in, and it's going to key in properly right there. And now it's been seated in the bottom of the tour pack. And then simply we just bring this up here and we work that up. That lines up right here. Then we take the paper off the front one. So that is step one. Now step two is that we have side panels. On one side you'll see these grooves right here. They line up with the grooves down here. And that's where we're just going to line that up. Take the paper off. Oh, thank you. And then this is going to line up down here. Okay, so now we've laid that in, and then we'll finish putting the rest of the panels all the way around there. Okay, now that you got the base and the sides in, we're going to check the alignment and you're pretty much done. So we have these side partitions right here. They just click right in, and then you're going to lay this into the grooves right there. Line that up. Yeah, it's looking great. Clicks right in. There you go. Alignment's great on here. Now we can put the rest of the panels on. Now we're ready to finish installing everything. All the pieces just key into each other. Really, really nice, like a puzzle piece. Just lays right in there. Just right in. And of course, you got to put your Hart Street logo on. It's right in there. Okay, so all the pieces are installed right now. And now we just have to drop in our partition. So this is the center. And again, we have these front and back partitions. They just line up right here. Put them in the groove, put them in the groove. Lay that in, and there you go. It's just that easy.